hit Shafer Trail. That's a long way down. Oh, this is a bad idea. I'm just kidding. Wow, there you can see the trail cutting across the canyon floor. Wow, man. Let's stop on this curve. Wow. Don't look down. I mean, it makes me a little uneasy just looking down from here. God, look at that. Yeah, you know it's steep when my engine braking isn't braking. I have to stay on the brakes just to keep from getting too much speed. If you got a thing with heights, this is probably not advisable, because it's right on the edge, very steep. And around the hairpins like that, you just go nice and easy. Yes, temp's warming up. So I'm doing this in first gear, in case you're wondering. I was in second when I first got on the trail, but as soon as I started the descent, it goes into first. You know, we're doing 10 to 15 miles an hour. I'll get out of this rut. This is amazing. My goodness, this is amazing. What beautiful country. So if you're watching this video and you've seen stuff of mine in the past, and where I, you know, FJR trips primarily, where I just stick to the road, there's something, it's almost an exponential expansion of what you see and experience when you can get off and do something like this, that I would never in a million years take an FJR or anything similar down this road. Even though this is graded for passenger cars, it would be foolish to take a street bike down here, in my opinion. Regardless of the skills of the rider, it's the limitations of the equipment. But being able to get out and explore something like this on a dual sport motorcycle, or some type, you know, even a large bike like this, it opens up what you can experience when you're out touring and traveling and seeing this beautiful country. But gosh, it's so pretty. Riding up it would be just as beautiful. Moab via Potash Road. It's got to be that way. Yes. Yep. It's 63 degrees. It's perfect. It's awesome. Trail is awesome, folks. Wow, look at these walls. Look at that, how beautiful. Sorry to keep looking over there. It's just so incredibly beautiful. Why it took me so long to come to Utah to explore. And I mean, I don't mean on a motorcycle, I just mean just to see it. What was I thinking? This place is amazing. It's 12:30. I think when I plotted this, I was estimating, what did I think? 15 or maybe even 20 miles an hour. I didn't realize how rugged, I mean, you know, as compared to a gravel road, I was thinking more along the lines of Burr Trail or something. Kind of technical. I'll have a bash plate, guys. Didn't think I needed one. That's a good shot of the Potash operation. I have no idea how that works or what these pools are used for. But it's kind of a pretty sight, especially with those mountains, canyon walls in the background. I'll tell you what, I'm getting tired. I think it's been like 20 miles. Sure is awesome though. I guess this is what they call balanced rock. Look at that thing. The size of a dump truck. Look at that. Well, here we go. Reached the end of the gravel portion. I've got a few miles to pick up the main road. I'm gonna pull in this parking lot and get some water, put my gloves back on, check my map. It's 1:30. All right, get a little water. Well, I'm still on Potash Road, and you know, I probably shouldn't even say it, but as incredible as this is, it's almost mundane compared to taking the Shafer Trail switchbacks and riding Shafer Trail and Potash Road all the way through the canyon bottom. And man, that was just incredible. I know the camera doesn't do it justice, guys. So you'll just have to use your imagination, take my word for it. The views and the scenes and the riding was phenomenal. Loved it. But no, seriously, this is pretty amazing. I mean, these walls just go straight up. These have not been carved, you know, to put the road in. They were carved by this river so many millions of years ago. So incredibly beautiful.